Hi everyone, I am Jay, and I'm currently navigating the exciting, fast-paced world of introducing market experience. We all have a good getaway, but I want to stop is what is tourism really? It's much more than just a check back. It's a global powerhouse that connects the world. Tourism is the movement of people, countries, or places outside the usual environment for personal or professional purposes. Whether it's for a weekend or business trip or a month-long expedition, you are traveling and staying for less than a year. You are part of a tourism ecosystem. Economically, it's $1 trillion industry that creates millions of jobs. Socially, it is a bridge between cultures, histories, and industry. And environmentally, modern tourism is shifting towards sustainability, protecting the very landmarks and nature we love to visit. Beyond the sites, there's a massive invisible side: hospitality, transportation, and complex logistics. It's the art of making the world feel accessible while ensuring local communities thrive. It's an industry of experiences where the product is the memory. In tourism management is just an easy foreign vacation. Think again. Let's debunk the biggest myths about this degree. The biggest misconception that we only learn how to travel. In reality, we are studying the business of fun. That means accounting, macroeconomics, marketing, and complex international law. It's a rigorous management program, not a field trip. We aren't just tour guides. We are being trained in global logistics, sustainability, and crisis management. Whether it's navigating a global pandemic or managing a multi-million-dollar resort, the skills we learn are high stakes and highly professional. What does a tourism student like me actually bring to the table? It's more than just booking flights. We are the bridge builders of the modern world, turning global travel into a force for good. And as a tourism graduates, we offer the world economic resilience. We are trained to revitalize local economies by creating sustainable jobs. But we also offer cultural preservations, ensuring that traditions and landmarks aren't just visited, but protected and respected for generations to come. Both tourism students and graduates provide expertise in human connection. In an increasingly digital age, we master the art of hospitality and crisis management. We are the one who ensure that when the world moves, whether for business or for the peace, it happens safely, ethically, and seamlessly. We don't just show people the world. We make the world a better place to see. That is the true value of tourism professional. As a Filipino by blood and heart, looking at our tourism 5 years from now fills me with immense pride. I see a future where sustainability is not just an option, it's our identity. Where we protect our natural wonders while uplifting local communities. I see a thriving, world-class destination driven by innovation, yet anchored in our greatest asset, our unmatched Filipino hospitality. This is not just the future of travel. This is the heart of the Philippines, shining brighter than ever.